Here we are in Tableau, and within that we want to create an area chart. And as you can see, we have two options of creating an area chart. So first one is area chart continuous. The second option is area chart discrete. So we will talk about area chart continuous in this video. So for that, as it is shown that you need one date and one or more measures and zero or more dimension. So let's try with the order date, and let's take sales, and let's create the chart. Alright, here we have a very simple area chart, and let's try to make it a little bit more visually appealing by putting segments on colors. Now, as you can see, that consumer is the biggest segment, followed by corporate and then the home office. And if you want, you can display the labels. So for that, you can go over here, take sales and put it on the labels, and the labels will be displayed. As you can see, the size is not enabled because size is default based on the sum of sales that is there. Area size is basically based on that, so that's why it is disabled. But the detail tab and the tooltip is what enabled along with the color. So that's how very easily you can go ahead and create the chart. And if you want, you can basically swap it like this if it is making more sense for you. But generally, people doesn't show it this way because eyes are used to seeing the chart in this way. So, but you have the option available. I just wanted to show you an option, and in certain situation, if it is making sense, then probably you can swap it. But that's a quick video about how you can create the area chart in Tableau, and I will meet you in the new video, the new topic.